What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over pound AUD. Now, this is a pair that we had talked about last February. The first time we had talked about this particular setup right here was last February. We talked about how it was likely going to fall from here, and that's what it did. And we said if it does break through this trend line, we're going to wait for a retest, and then we're going to enter, and that's exactly what we did. So this one, look at this, a 1-to-4 risk-to-reward ratio. We might be seeing some resistance right here. So if you did take this trade last year, this is, once again, the beauty of trading is you're able to just set and forget. Seriously, guys. But as you can see right here, we might be seeing some potential resistance, as this was some support previously right here and tested and then confirmed. If we go down to the weekly, we probably could see it, get a better picture of that. Not only that, remember this, candlesticks are words, the charts are a story. So the words are telling us a story, and what we need to do is listen to these candlesticks, understand what they're trying to tell us and convey. So this candlestick right here is saying that we have a long shadow, which is telling us that there was a push and a desire to go down, but because of this upward bullish momentum or some buying pressure, they was unable to actually make that push downwards, which is telling us that we might be seeing some resistance at this liquidization zone. So for us, there's an opportunity for you to close out manually. You should already be at a break-even position anyways. But it gives others an opportunity to actually come in, assuming this does get treated as support and it comes back up. So let's see if we can find any patterns here. Nothing too exciting. So if it does bounce up, we could be seeing some sort of harmonics pattern forming as well. So it could be coming up to here, to this neckline, because if we do take a look at it, it's not solid. We do have a harmonics as well right here, which is telling us that we want to make it to the neckline, which is kind of what happened right here already. So it might be a little bit invalid. Assuming this does get treated as support, though, it would be another opportunity for us to come in. So let's just look at what that opportunity would be, just for you guys. Assuming that this area of structure gets treated as resistance, it might be better to do this. Let's do another box. So if this area does get treated as resistance, then it'd be another potential opportunity for us to buy. But before you can actually confirm that, go to the daily and 4-hour time frames. However, this area right here that we're currently sitting at is looking like it's going to be an area of support. We might just get some sideways range action depending on how the candles form. It might be telling us a different story, whether it's a continuation downward or it's just going to be coming up and then kind of oscillating in this section right here. So just be a little bit patient, guys. If you guys are in on this, we were already in on the money from up here, so no need to be greedy. It's definitely, let's look at the pips from where it's at now to when we got in. This is still like 740 pips. That's, I mean, it's a ridiculous amount. So no need to be greedy, guys. What we can do in the meantime is just wait for price to give us an actual decision on whether or not it's going to bounce from here and kind of do some sideways range action, and to give us an opportunity to double in on our trade, assuming that you're already in on it, or to enter in if you've missed the opportunity in the first place. Other than that, just let your trade in. No need to be emotional. No need to be greedy. So if you do want to pull it out, you can. However, I personally would just recommend let it run its course and see what it does. Anyways, this is pound AUD. We had talked about this several times. The first time we had done this analysis was in February, and it looks like it's been pretty accurate ever since. So this is kind of my bread and butter pair. Seems like I've been making most of the money on this particular pair, and hopefully you guys can start making some money on this pair as well. See you guys in the next video.